G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely home, 26 Deloraine Avenue in the popular Bayside suburb of Urangan. As usual, there's a bit to take in. Let's go and take a look around. This lovely, well-maintained brick and tile home has been tastefully refurbished throughout with a rendered front facade and fully restored roof. It has also been professionally repainted throughout and features stylish plantation shutters. Positioned on a large 800 square metre allotment in one of Hervey Bay's most sought after suburbs of Urangan, with space to accommodate large RVs, caravans and boats, there really is nothing left to do except enjoy the lifestyle that comes with living in this idyllic location. You will also have the convenience of having key amenities all within minutes of this home, including the Urangan Marina and boat ramps, the Hervey Bay Boat Club, Urangan Central Shopping Centre, Aldi's, fast food restaurants, the Botanic Gardens, Esplanade Beach, cafes, restaurants, and the iconic Urangan Pier. This stylish home will be ideal for those looking for a low-maintenance home base to return to between your nomadic travels, or the first home buyer looking to purchase into an established area with solid growth potential, along with the astute investor who knows rental vacancy rates are as tight as we've ever seen them across Hervey Bay, and it's all about location. The vast open plan lounge and dining area does form the heart of this home and includes new vinyl plank flooring along with carpet, a new ceiling fan and reverse cycle split system air conditioning. The new kitchen has been thoughtfully designed and features beautiful stone bench tops and 2-pack soft close cabinetry, plus clever corner carousels and a pantry with custom soft close wire drawers. New Westinghouse kitchen appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, oven, and you've also got a dishwasher. This home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, all with new carpet and ceiling fans, and 3 of these also include built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a new ceiling fan, split system air conditioning, new carpet, a built-in wardrobe, plus a brand new ensuite with a shower, vanity with stone bench tops and a toilet. The bathroom has again been tastefully refurbished and features a vanity with stone bench tops, double basins and a shower, plus there's also a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. The expansive north-facing covered outdoor entertaining area features an insulated roof and ceiling and overlooks the private backyard to the rear. This is where you'll enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate while relaxing at the end of each day. You can enjoy your morning cuppa with the first rays of light or a cool beverage of an afternoon. Vehicle accommodation includes a single garage with a painted floor and offers direct internal access into the home. This home also offers clear side access through to that large 9 by 9 metre 3-bay shed with high 3 metre entry doors and power connected. This is perfect for those looking to accommodate a large caravan or boat, and you've still got space to add a pool in the backyard if desired as well. Those wanting to be more self-sufficient will appreciate the large rainwater tank on the shed to keep the low-maintenance established lawns and gardens watered. Homes offering these features in this location are now rare and always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.